Today we will learn how to prepare an emulsion using wet gum method, also known as the English method. Emulsions are biphasic liquid system where one immiscible liquid is dispersed in another using an emulsifying agent. Common example of such emulsions are milk, lotions and medicinal emulsions like cod liver oil emulsion. Materials required: oil such as liquid paraffin or arachis oil, etc. Water, emulsifying agent gum acacia, mortar and pestle, measuring cylinder, beaker and glass rod. Procedure: number 1. Measure the ingredients. Follow the standard ratios of 4:2:1, such as 4 part oil, 2 part water and 1 part of emulsifier. For example, take 4 ml of oil, 2 ml of water and 1 gram of gum acacia. Second, form the primary emulsion. First, place the gum acacia powder in a clean dry mortar. Add the measured amount of water and triturate gently to form a smooth mucilage. Now slowly add the oil in small portions while continuously mixing with the pestle in a circular motion. You will notice a thick, white, creamy emulsion forming. This is the primary emulsion. Step 3. Dilution and mixing. Gradually add more water while stirring to achieve the desired volume and consistency. Transfer the emulsion into a beaker and stir with a glass rod for uniformity. 4. Step 4. Evaluation. Check for stability. A good emulsion should be uniform without signs of phase separation. Perform a dilution test. If it mixes with oil with water, it is an oil in water emulsion. If it is mixed with oil, it is water in oil emulsion. Precautions: always triturate properly to ensure uniform dispersion of the emulsifier. Add the oil slowly to avoid breaking the emulsion. Store emulsions in a cool place to prevent phase separation. Conclusion: emulsion plays a vital role in pharmaceuticals, cosmetics and food industries. Mastering the wet gum method will help you in both academic and practical applications. I encourage you to try this process carefully in the lab and observe the result. Thank you.